Have you ever thought about growing your own vegetables in the city? Yes, it's entirely possible. Urban vegetable gardening is an amazing way to save money, enjoy fresh produce, and contribute to a sustainable environment. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I start my own urban vegetable garden? We're here to guide you. First things first, find the perfect spot for your garden. You'll want a location that basks in 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Don't fret if you're short on ground space. Balconies, rooftops, and windowsills can work wonders. Once you've found the right spot, it's time to select your containers. Choosing the right container is key to a successful urban vegetable garden. Consider various options like pots, window boxes, or even hanging baskets. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics. Good drainage is crucial to keep your plants healthy. Now that you have your containers, let's move on to the soil. A rich, fertile soil is the foundation of your garden. To prepare, mix in compost or organic matter. This enriches the soil, providing needed nutrients for your plants. It's like giving your garden a hearty meal. With your soil ready, it's time to plant. Now comes the exciting part, planting your vegetables. Whether you're starting from seeds or seedlings, the process is quite simple. For seeds, create small holes in the soil, drop in a couple of seeds, and gently cover them up. If you're using seedlings, dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the root system, place your seedling in, and cover it up, pressing gently to ensure good soil contact. Now, for care tips. Water your plants regularly, but avoid overwatering. Use a good quality organic fertilizer to nourish your plants and keep an eye out for pests. Don't hesitate to use natural pest control methods to protect your veggies. With patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving urban vegetable garden. Growing your own vegetables in the city is not just rewarding, it's a movement. Embrace the urban gardening revolution, cultivate your green thumb, and indulge in the joy of fresh homegrown produce. Start your urban vegetable garden today and reap the benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.